Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how we can make QR codes using Google Sheets for free. For that, what we have to do is open Google Chrome. Make sure that you're logged in with your Google account. For that, you just have to log in with your Gmail and not sign out. After that, just enter sheets.new. What it's going to do, it's going to open a spreadsheet. This is the Google Sheet, and we can change the name of the sheet here. So we'll write QR code. That's going to be the name of the sheet. And for making the QR code, we need a function, and the function is called the image function. For my help, it is here. And for you, it's going to be in the description below, so no need to worry. Control C. I'm going to paste it in A1, Control V, so it's pasted. So this is the image function, and this from HTTPS to chart ? That's the core part of the function. After that, it's CHT is equal to QR, which tells us that it's going to be a QR code, and CHS is equal to 400 into 400. That means it's the width and the length of the QR code, and CHL is actually the link which we want to make the QR code of. So after CHL this is equal to, we can just directly put our link and it will make a QR code of that. So it will be directly be emerging in A1. But what we are doing here, we are linking it to B1. So what it does, it is going to make a QR code of anything we are going to put in B1. So for that, now I'm going to put my Instagram's profile link in B1. And it's going to make a QR code of that. And it has made it. I'll just widen it a little bit, so you can see the QR code is made. We can use this for our WhatsApp number, for our Google account. Anyone can just scan it and text us on WhatsApp. Anyone can scan it and mail us on Google. It can be used for Wi-Fi password sharing. So no need to give your friends password. Just tell them that you can scan this code and they'll be logged into your Wi-Fi. So it's a cool way of sharing things. And if you want to make many QR codes, just expand this here. And whatever you're going to put in the B column, going to make a QR code in the A column. So this, I have selected A2, and it reflects to B2 here, we can see. And A3 will be reflecting to B3, and simultaneously it will be made. So we can make bulk here. Thank you for watching this video. If this video was of any help to you, kindly like and subscribe. Any questions regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. Don't worry about this sheet. It's going to be saved even if we close it. And it is going to be accessible with you anywhere. You just have to log in with your Google account and you can access the sheet from anywhere. So that is going to be it.